Now that we've learned a little bit about web documentation, I need to show you about Chrome extensions, because invariably students look at what I do when reading documentation and they are like, how did you do that? So let me show you what I often do. I'll be like, oh, I totally want to remember this if I ever come back to this web page. So I'm going to highlight that, select it. Now I'm going to right click it and I'm literally going to highlight it, and I can make it like green. Cool. So now whenever I come back to this web page, that is highlighted for me. And I'm a big highlighter because I'm old school, because I'm old. I'm 45. And when I was young, there was no web, and we got textbooks and we highlighted the textbooks. And I really like, being able to highlight things like this and be able to come to pages later. I don't know if that grabbed orange. There we go. Oh, there it is. Come to web pages later and see, oh, these were the highlights when I read it. So how do you do that? Well, that's a Chrome extension. And so an extension is something which extends the capabilities of a certain piece of software. So a lot of pieces of software, a lot of different software have extensions, right? And Chrome has extensions. So you can look for Chrome extensions. And you could go here and, Chrome Web Store extensions. Right, so you could come in here and you could search for all the different extensions. And the one that I'm using, Super Simple Highlighter. See if it comes up this way. I've always searched for Super Simple Highlighter right here. And it knows that I already have it added. It's saying, hey, rate it. So I just click on that and I'd click this button, Add to Chrome. Right? If I wanted to do something else, I'd be able to see right here, Add to Chrome. But because I already have this one, it's asking me, it's saying, hey, added to Chrome, do you want to rate it? And so now that I have that extension, I could go into settings in Chrome. So come over here to Chrome, and this is Google Chrome, the browser of this course. So I really recommend you use Chrome as your browser, not only in this course, but all of the time. And if you're using Internet Edge or Firefox, they also have extensions, but you'll have to go figure out how to do what I'm showing you in those, and it's probably not as good. All right, so once you have extensions and things like that in Chrome, you could go into settings, and inside settings, you could click on extensions, and in extensions, you could enable an extension. Like right now, I have Google Hangouts, and it's not enabled because I don't want like my friends texting me when I'm recording this video. I don't want those chat messages to come up. I could also delete extensions, so I could just hit the trash can icon, and that's gone. And you can see I have HTML5 outliner here. That's enabled. And my super simple highlighter is enabled, right? So I have different ones enabled. And when I show you IDEs, we'll learn about the JetBrains extension for Chrome. So the extensions are something we'll use in this course, and that's what they are. And if you want to do the highlighting, right, you need the super simple highlighter, this one right here, and that will allow you to do highlighting. So we've just learned about Chrome extensions, and you could get into the extensions inside Chrome by going to Chrome Settings Extensions, and I showed you about enabling the checkbox, enabled, right, and then also the trash can, and Super Simple Highlighter, which is the extension that allows you to highlight web pages, and then it'll remember that. So every time you come back to the web page, hey, cool, there's all the stuff I highlighted. So I really find extensions to be super useful, particularly for me, the Super Simple Highlighter. I really like that one.